I have really put you in trouble. Like I should really start from a very beginning and tiny number. Like see, one by one we will move towards solving the denominator by taking their LCM. Okay. So what I'm going to do, just leave that question. Okay. Just leave that question for a while. What I'm going to do is, first of all, we should start from the simple numbers. Then we will solve the one single variable. Then we will move towards that question. Okay.
Okay.
So in order to make you understand well, so for example, my question is, I'm writing a question which is 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 divided by, it can be 8. Okay, it's 8. Now the step number 1, you need to write the multiples of 3 and 8 in order to make their similar LCM. Now see, whenever we are making a major denominator, that major denominator which will be written down, that will be your LCM, least common multiple. Okay, did you understand till here?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to write the multiples of 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, and then 15, and then 18. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24.
Hello? Yes.
Yes. 3 eights are 24. And now I'm writing the multiples of 8, which is 8 threes are 24. So 24 and 24 is a number which is least common multiple. We found by making the multiples of 3 and 8. Did you understand this step?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I am writing 24 over here. Now see, 3, 24, you need to see 24, how many times you multiply 3 with number with something, so you should get 24.
You multiply 8 times. Multiply it by
Exactly
8.
8 times. Exactly 8 times. See, now that 8 will be multiplied with 2, the numerator. What is your numerator?
16.
Exactly, you're going to write 16. Now the same procedure we're going to apply over here as well for 1 divided by 8 as well. How many times you should multiply 8 with something, so you should get 24?
3.
Now that 3 will be multiplied your second numerator, which is?
Wait. It will be multiplied with your second numerator.
See, 8 and 24. We get 3. Yeah? And now that 3 will be multiplied with 1, which is your numerator.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. 3.
So 3, exactly. So you get 19 divided by 24. So obviously 19 divided by 24, 19, we got a prime number. So it cannot be simplified. Furthermore, we just got the answer as 19 divided by 24. That's your answer. Did you understand this question well?
Yeah.
Okay, everything, each and everything?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm writing one more question like this. You need to solve it, which is 7 divided by 9 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay.
Okay.
Now, first of all, the step number 1 was?
You had to write down the multiples.
Exactly. So 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, and then 30. See, 5 nines are 45 and 9 fives are 45. So 45 is a number. Now you got to tell me that how we're gonna proceed that.
So it's going to become the like the what do you call it?
LCM.
Yeah, it's the lowest common multiple. So
Mm-hmm.
that's going to be your new denominator.
Okay, and then
you see that you multiplied 9 by 5 to get 45. So you multiply 7 by 5 to get 35.
Exactly, very good. And then
you do 5 was multiplied by 9 to get 45, and 4 multiplied by 9 is 36.
excellent. And then
when you add them together,
you get 71.
Yeah, 71, and that is simplified, and you get a 1 whole and
Okay,
16/45
16.
over 45, and I think that can be simplified more. So
It can be simplified more
yeah, it
by
can. So it becomes 1 and 8/15.
850. Okay, fine. So now, okay, so that question is understood well. Fine. Now
Yeah.
I am moving towards the variable, but I am including one variable at the same time. Now what? I am writing 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y. Okay, so now x and y are a kind of variables. We cannot we cannot take out the multiples. So obviously the variables, they always will be written as together as their LCM. X gets multiplied with y and y gets multiplied with x. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now see. Now
I
first of
think
all you need to
I think I understand this. I think you're supposed to do the same thing you do. So the x.
exactly, that's the same thing. Yes.
So you need to see how much you did to multiply x multiplied by what is x.
Exactly. Yes.
So you got x
I'm
multiplied.
so happy for you. Finally, you understood. I was so worried about you that I have which kind of method I could have made you understand. Okay, okay, that's fine. That's good. Okay, Aisha, continue.
So the x gets multiplied by 1 to get x. So you have to do the same to
Exactly.
the numerator.
Now see, x. Well, now first of all, you need to see x and x. Just forget about y because see, y is not in the first numerator. Can you see any y? No, you cannot see any y. So what you do is you get 1. Yeah, x gets multiplied with something, so you get x. Now that one will get multiplied with 1. You got it? Now we will write 1 as it is. Now see, y is not can be seen, y cannot be seen on your left hand side numerator, which is 1 divided by x. So one, whatever the thing you cannot see or you cannot multiply, you just write it as it is. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now the second thing. Now you need to see y and y. So what the answer we get 1. And then that one will get multiplied with the numerator, which is also 1. We write 1, but we don't have
X,
what
so
we don't have. So you write x. You don't write 1. You don't write you write
1
x.
into x.
Okay, good. Now see, you got y. Now 1 gets multiplied with y, so you got y. 1 gets multiplied with x, so you got x. And in the denominator, you get x and y. And that's your answer. Did you get it now?
Yeah, so do you not have to do anything to the numerator, like add it or anything?
In this one? No, we don't need to do anything. Why? Because we don't have any coefficient to get simplified, and x and y and xy, they don't have any term to factorize more. Fine.
Yeah,
So that answer will be, and that was the not question, that was very basic, which I really wanted to make you learn about how we're going to actually perform the HCF about variables. Okay. Now I'm over to that question. Which was 1 divided by x minus y and minus 1 divided by x plus y. Now, तुम इधर आ जाओ साइड पे आ जाओ, मैं उठती हूँ से. So, now see, x minus y and x plus y. X minus y gets multiplied with x plus y. X plus y gets multiplied with x minus y. So you get what you get as a LCM in the denominator. You get x minus y and you get
and
x plus y. Yes, you both get the variable as to make their LCM. So I would write x minus y and I would write x plus y. Okay. Now, see x minus y and x minus y. You multiply x minus y with something, so you should get x minus y, which is obviously what?
1.
1. Now that one will get multiplied with 1, so we will get the answer as 1. Now, what is not in your first numerator? X plus y is not in your first numerator. So whatever the stuff you don't have, you just simply write it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Now write minus sign. Now x plus y and x plus y, it obviously what answer we give, what answer we got? 1.
1x
Now 1,
into x minus y.
exactly 1 into x minus y. Now 1, yeah, now 1 will get multiplied with x plus y. We get x plus y and x minus y, and in the down we get x minus y and we get x plus y. So x minus y and x minus y, they do get cancelled, and x, no, sorry, they should not get cancelled. They will not get cancelled. Wait, because we have a minus sign inside. We have a minus sign inside. So now, okay, shall I raise the step at the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to open up their brackets because we have a minus sign. So first I will write x plus y minus x, minus will be?
Wait, minus, are you gonna multiply them?
Multiply. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm going to multiply. Plus y. It will be plus. Minus will be plus.
Oh, sorry, yes, it'll be plus.
And then you're gonna write.
Where are the two minus?
Sorry?
Where did you get the other minus? Because you only had one minus.
I did not understand.
Oh yes, no, don't worry, I got it.
Okay. So now it's x minus y and x plus y. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, see, minus x and plus x, they do get cancelled because minus and plus, they always get cancelled. Whenever we have in the same pattern, in the same expression, one time plus and one time minus, the similar variable get cancelled.
Yeah.
So we have only 2y, and why I wrote 2y?
Because there's like
one
two.
coefficient, yeah, one coefficient over here, one coefficient over here. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. It means we would write 2y divided by x minus y and x plus y, and that's your answer. Okay, yeah, that's your answer. I think I should give you one question about this.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, Aisha, I asked you that how many questions I gave you for the polynomials?
3.
3 questions. Okay, now I'm giving you just one question for this for solving this rational expression. Okay, just try this out. Okay, 1 plus 2x. Oh wait, let me make it more simple. 2x divided by 1 minus 2x plus x divided by 1 plus 2x. Okay, that's the question for solving the rational expression.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay, Aisha, any question about today's class?
No.
Are you sure?
Wait. One second. So this time both of the denominators will be put together for the major
Exactly.
denominator.
Exactly. Exactly. In the LCM, as the LCM, we should call them as LCM.
Okay, I get it. Yeah. And
Got
whatever
it?
yeah, okay. So because when you do there's 2x, so you'd still multiply it by 1. So would you just write it as 2x?
Exactly. You're gonna write 2x as it is. Don't get confused.
Okay,
You know,
okay,
like whatever will be simplified, that will be simplified in the steps which are coming ahead. But don't
Okay.
do anything as directly in finding the LCM.